Hi there, welcome to Grain TV. It's Thursday, June 16th, another down day in the grain market. Let's take a look at Grain Hedge's trading platform and see where we closed. In Chicago, corn gave up 4 cents a bushel, beans off 21.5 cents, and wheat in Chicago off 4 1/4. News continues to be focused on the weather situation. Let's take a look, first of all, at this week's Drought Monitor. This was showing more signs of drought in the Midwest, although this is somewhat of a lagging indicator based on rainfall conditions and heat in the recent past, but it's still, I think, somewhat important because it shows that there is some growing drought concerns. On the left, you can see this week's Drought Monitor reading versus last week's on the right, and you can see the yellow region starting to grow in size in the heart of the Corn Belt. But as we look forward, which is what the job of the futures market is to do, then it sees much more optimistic forecast for lower temperatures as well as about normal precipitation. This is the latest 6 to 10 day outlook. Temperature on the left, precipitation on the right, and you can see in the heart of the Corn Belt in Iowa, and especially where that Drought Monitor reading was showing a tick up this week, you can see normal temperatures and nearly normal to maybe even above normal precip is expected in the 6 to 10 day outlook. So that really has been what the market has been trading, this improving forecast in the later part of June in terms of less heat and in terms of more likely normal precipitation. So that's really been driving the market down. And of course the question will be, will this continue into the end of June, 1st of July, as we start to get closer to pollination for corn, and then a couple weeks later as we get into the flowering stage for soybeans. Let's take a look at weekly export sales from USDA this morning. These were kind of a mixed bag, nothing really super strong or super weak as well. Corn, a little disappointing on old crop, coming in at the low end of expectations, just over 900,000 metric tons. The first time in some while that we've seen below 1 million metric tons. So I think that was a bit of a deflationary factor in corn, as well as new crop sales coming in pretty light, below 200,000 at the low end of expectations, only at 178,000. Soybeans, on the other hand, old crop was very good at 816,000. New crop a respectable 768, and then wheat also coming in strong at 762,000. This is a combined, of course, because we're now out of old crop and strictly trading. We're strictly looking at 2016-17's market conditions. So, overall, again, the trade continues to focus on weather, and the weather conditions continue to improve. As we look at July beans, I think we're reaching a pivotal point here. Obviously, we went up and touched above $12. We made a quick run from $11 to $12, and here we are backing off down in the low 1130 range. In fact, today's low somewhere around 1128 and a half. And I would look for that as kind of long-term support here in the last few weeks. When I say long-term, I mean the last few weeks here. This will sort of be, in my opinion, prove a pivotal ground. If we break below that, then we may be in store fairly quickly for a return to $11. But I'm not sure we're going to do that unless the weather forecast gets dramatically wetter. At this juncture, it doesn't seem to be. So the market may have taken at least a pause here, especially as we get into the weekend. That's all we've got for today. Join us on Friday when we'll be looking at the market wrap up for the week. As always, if you have questions or want to learn how we can help you, then by all means visit us online at grainhedge.com and take a free, no obligation demo of our futures trading platform. Have a great day. As a Grain Hedge trading client, you'll get our technical alerts email first thing every trading day. Technical Alerts is a powerful system that generates quality trading opportunities. Each trading opportunity shows a chart and analysis providing clear price targets and risk potential. Technical Alerts look at historical chart formations and compare the current environment to the past to form concrete trading recommendations. The commodities covered by Technical Alerts includes grains, livestock, crude oil, currencies, bonds, and metals. Start your trading day with the most powerful insight into market direction and improve your trading today. Sign up at grainhedge.com to become a client.